or good afternoon, more like it. We had a good day. Got a lot of mowing done. There's neighbor, and there's the mower. But one of the big things is the broilers have graduated. I'm gonna kick my son's butt. Graduated to the tractors. They're all curping up here in the sun right now. But they've been in there most of the afternoon, actually. While I finished this tractor. Happy and fat. I mean, their craws are huge. It's like that frog that bubbles up his neck. So they should sleep good tonight. Dogs don't mess with them. That's a great thing. So, and tomorrow I get to tackle that mess over there. Wow. All right, you guys have a great day.